Namaste and welcome to Nav Insider. I am Captain Dharmesh and today I am here as a proud seafarer. If you are someone who thinks Merchant Navy is all about fancy uniforms, big money, world travel, and glamorous life at sea, then trust me, this episode is for you. Because today I am busting the biggest myths about Merchant Navy, myths that stop people from understanding the real truth of our lives. Let's get into it. Arey yaar, you must be making lakhs every month now. I hear this all the time. Yes, the pay is decent, especially in the beginning, but it's not some magic money tree. You might be earning well, but you're also sacrificing family time, working in harsh, unpredictable conditions, and facing physical and mental challenges most people can't even imagine. And when we are off contract, we are not earning, so it balances out. And to those who compare us to shore jobs, try spending months at sea without stepping on land, and then we'll talk about easy money. Wow, you must be visiting so many new countries. This is probably most common line we hear. But let me tell you, this isn't a vacation. Yes, we sail through different ports, but port operations today are super quick. Sometimes we are in and out in less than 24 hours. And even when we stay there for a few days, there's paperwork, cargo operations, maintenance and watchkeeping. By the end of the day, all you want is a hot shower and good sleep. Many VLCCs, ULCCs, VLOCs don't even touch port sometimes. So this whole idea of you get to travel and enjoy is a pure myth. I have lost count of how many times someone has said, "Why yaar, what a glamorous life you must be enjoying. The sea, foreign ports, wearing that crisp uniform every day." Let me be real with you. This life might look glamorous from the outside, but those who have lived it know. It's not shine, it's sacrifice. It's not luxury, it's long hours. Behind every picture perfect sunset is a day full of sweat, stress and silence. Yes, the sea looks beautiful, but have you seen an engine room during a breakdown? Have you worked 18 hours straight in 45-degree temperatures on deck? Have you been in stormy weather for more than 5 days without any sleep? People see the smart uniform and think it's all style and comfort, but behind that we are in sweaty boiler suits, worn out gloves and steel shoes that have seen more rust than the rest. It's not a glamorous life, it is a tough, disciplined and demanding life. But yes, we wear our profession with pride. If only that were true. Not every seafarer has 6 on 6 off routine. Depending on rank, company, type of vessel he is sailing, contracts can be 4 on 2 off, 8 on 4 off or even 9 months on board. And let me remind you, when we are home, we are not earning. Many companies don't pay off time or the pay is much lower. Plus, during that break, we are giving exams, handling paperwork, managing family, dealing with health issues, or just trying to recover mentally from months at sea. So no, it's not a half-year vacation. It's much needed recovery time. Another big one. No, we can't just bring our families whenever we want. Most companies don't allow it anymore to cut costs. Even those who allow, it's usually for senior officers, captain, chief officer, chief engineer, or second engineer. And even then, it depends on ship's trade, route, flag, policies, and safety concerns. It's not as simple as people think. And even when families do come on board, the life on board is still not easy or luxurious. What's the reality? The Merchant Navy is not for faint-hearted. It's a life of discipline, hard work and sacrifice. We live away from our families for months. We fight isolation, weather and risk. But we do it with pride because we know the world runs because ships sail. Next time you see a seafarer, don't ask how much they earn or how many countries they have been to. Ask them how are they doing. Ask them what keeps them going. Or maybe say a small thank you, because when you are asleep at night, somewhere on the other side of the world, a seafarer is awake, on watch, ensuring your food, fuel and medicine reaches safely. This is Captain Dharmesh and this was Nav Insider. If you have learned something new today, or if this has changed your view of seafarers, share this episode, educate others and help us bust these myths for good. Until next time, stay safe, stay aware and always respect the sailor behind supply chain.